Dembel Motorhomes. German precision meets ultimate luxury. Dembel is a premier German manufacturer of high-end motorhomes crafted with uncompromising quality, innovative design, and state-of-the-art technology. Built for those who expect excellence on every journey, Dembel motorhomes are synonymous with modern luxury and refined functionality. Key features include premium materials and spacious interiors, heated floors, air conditioning, and satellite TV as standard advanced technologies for comfort and convenience. Built on the robust Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, Dembel offers a range of models to suit various needs. Heimer Vision Venture, the future of van life. The Heimer Vision Venture is a groundbreaking concept camper van introduced in 2020, offering a bold look into the future of mobile living. Developed in collaboration with BASF, this visionary vehicle blends innovation, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology to redefine what van life can be. Designed with a modular interior, the Vision Venture adapts seamlessly to a variety of lifestyles and activities. The upper level serves as a bright, open living area, while the lower level includes a cozy sleeping space and a well-equipped bathroom. Packed with advanced features, it includes smart climate control, next-gen infotainment system, integrated mobility solutions. More than just a camper, the Heimer Vision Venture is a luxury experience on wheels, built for explorers who demand style, comfort, and sustainability wherever the road takes them. Living Vehicle HD30. Redefining off-grid. Luxury. The Living Vehicle? HD30 is a premium fifth-wheel travel trailer engineered for true off-grid living. Built on a commercial-grade platform with marine-grade materials, it offers unmatched durability, performance, and comfort for extended stays in remote locations. Designed with versatility in mind, the HD30 features multiple floor plan options to suit your lifestyle, including a queen bunk room, a flexible four-person family bunk room, a luxurious king bedroom suite, a fully functional mobile office, and a split queen auto lounge. Inside, you'll find a spacious interior complete with a fully equipped kitchen, a large living area with a cozy fireplace, and a deluxe bathroom with a walk-in shower. Whether you're a full-time RVer, a weekend explorer, or simply someone seeking freedom without compromising comfort, the HD30 delivers an exceptional experience. 2024 Greyhawk XL. Rugged power meets refined comfort. The 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL is a super Class C motorhome that blends the comfort and luxury of a Class A RV with the off-road capability and toughness of a Ford F554x4 chassis. Designed for adventurers who refuse to compromise, it's built to conquer off-the-grid destinations while keeping you surrounded by high-end amenities. Powered by a 6.7-liter Powerstroke 5.8 turbo diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and all-terrain tires, the Greyhawk XL delivers best-in-class performance with a 19,500-pound GVWR and a 31,500-pound GCWR. Inside, you'll find a spacious, thoughtfully designed interior that includes a private rear bedroom retreat, a fully equipped kitchen with a residential-size microwave, Furrion all-in-one cooktop, oven, and recessed stainless steel appliances, a modern bathroom with all the essentials for comfort on the road. Whether you're cruising highways or carving your own path, the Greyhawk XL is your ultimate home on wheels, powerful, premium, and adventure-ready. Il Amamante Palazzo, the pinnacle of mobile luxury. Designed by Marchi Mobile, the Il Amamante Palazzo stands as one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever created. Celebrated in renowned publications such as Robb Report, Architectural Digest, and GQ, It's a true icon of innovation, elegance, and engineering excellence. Available in two opulent models, Palazzo Exclusive and Palazzo Superior, this luxury RV redefines mobile living. The exclusive model offers a lavish living space with a slide-out lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a modern bathroom, and a private master bedroom. The Superior model takes luxury even further, featuring all the amenities of the exclusive plus an additional bedroom, a flybridge, and an open-air sky lounge, a first-of-its-kind feature in the world of motorhomes. Crafted with the finest materials and equipped with state-of-the-art technology, the Element Palazzo is not just a vehicle, it's a moving masterpiece for those who expect nothing but the best. Tesla Cybertruck, the future of electric utility. First unveiled in November 2019, the Tesla Cybertruck is a bold, all-electric pickup that breaks away from traditional truck design. Its futuristic, angular exterior, constructed from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, has sparked both acclaim and controversy. But one thing is certain, it's one of the most anticipated vehicles in modern automotive history. The Cybertruck's design is rugged, minimalist, and unmistakably unique, featuring a flat, geometric body with no curves, reinforced Tesla armor, glass for added durability, a sleek exoskeleton engineered for strength and resilience. It's available in three configurations: single motor RWD with a range of 250 miles, dual motor AWD with a range of 300 miles. Tri-motor AWD offering a staggering 500-mile range designed to deliver power, performance, and cutting-edge innovation. The Cybertruck is more than just a pickup. It's a statement about the future of electric vehicles.